Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. Today we are going on a forest adventure with Cross Stitch, who loves exploring the woods and creating something beautiful. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends who loves crafting and nature. Let's start with this stunning tree's silhouette pattern. Is not it gorgeous? It is perfect for beginners. This design uses simple stitches to create a striking image. Try using shades of green and brown to bring the forest to life. Next up, we have this adorable old perch on a branch who love holes. This pattern use a bit more detail, but the results is so worth it. Use soft colors like gray, green, and white to make your own pattern. Hi friends, we are halfway through. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who love cross stitch. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel for more fun content like this. Now let's explore the forest floor with this intricate pattern. Who loves the details? This design uses a variety of stitches to create a realistic image of leaves, twigs, and more. Try using earthy tones to bring the forest floor to life. Last but not least, we have these beautiful deer family patrons who love animals. This design uses simple stitches to create a great image of forest. This look very beautiful, unique, trendy and classic. Remember to keep your video engaging, fun and easy to understand for your audience. You can adjust this video tone and style. Let's create a stunning forest landscape with this pattern. Who loves the forest? This video is for greenery lovers and forest lovers. This design uses a variety of stitches to create a realistic image of trees, hills, mountains, and volcanoes. Try using shades of green, brown to bring the forest to life. Next, we have discussed about the features and the types of forest cross stitch pattern. First of all, we have nature inspired themes. Tree, foliage, animals and other elements found in a forest ecosystem. Shades of green, brown, beige and tan, which evoke a sense of natural surroundings. Detailed landscape, intricate designs that captures the texture and the atmosphere of a forest, often with layers and depth. Realistic imagery, forest cross stitch pattern often aim to accurately depict the natural world, with details rendering of trees, leaves, and wildlife. Large-scale design forest pattern can be quite large, making them a great choice for those who enjoy working on bigger projects. These patterns often features elements like trees, trunks, branches, leaves, wildlife, deer, birds, squirrels, lion, foliage, ferns, flowers, sunflowers, and mushrooms. Landscape, hill, mountain, river, waterfalls, and water features. Atmospheric effect, mist, sunlight, and shadows. Forest cross stitch patterns are the perfect for nature lovers. Some people are the nature lovers who love trees, greenery, and the hills. This video is perfect for those. Those who enjoy realistic and detailed designs. In this video, I will give you many designs from simple to complex. Simple design is for beginners and who are pro, then they create complex designs. But these designs is very beautiful, unique, trendy, and classic. Stitchers looking for a challenging and immersive project. Anyone who wants to create a peaceful and serene piece of art. If you are interested in trying a forest cross stitch pattern, I can offer tips and tricks. First of all, choose the right fabric. Select a high quality, neutral colored fabric that will complement the earthy tones in the design. Use a variety of greens. Forest patterns often feature many shades of green, orange, brown, and yellow. Use a range of threads to create depth and texture. Pay attention to shading. Shading is the most important part of creating cross stitch pattern. Shading is crucial in forest pattern. Use the recommended threads and follow the pattern's shading guide. Using a laying tool can help you manage multiple strands of flows and prevent tangle. Stitch in section. Divide the patterns into sections such as tree, foliage, and wildlife to maintain organization. Use a frame or a hook to taut or prevent distortion of your fabric and making stitching easy. Forest pattern often features small details like birds, flowers, trees, mountains, river. Don't skip these, add character to the design. Thread conditioner can help reduce tangles and knots when working with multiple strands. Forest pattern can be complex. Take breaks to avoid eye strains and maintain stitching accuracy. Use the perfect lighting to prevent eye strain. Forest across stitch patterns can be immersive and rewarding. Enjoy the process and don't rush to finish. Use high quality thread. Use tapestry needles. Consistent tensions, accurate stitch count and placement. Regularly check. Use always textured stitches. Mute color palettes. Now at the last, I will give you one suggestion that always use those colors who is perfect for a cross stitch pattern. Don't be afraid to try new color combination. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.